to my channel. Today I want to talk about why you should get in on digital marketing, the power of reselling digital products with a PLR community, or PLR is private label rights. Once you buy the product, you get to resell it at 100%. And it also gives you MRR rights. I may have said that wrong in the last video that I did, but this is master resale rights. Once you buy the product, the course, you get to resell it for 100% profit. But you also get to learn and earn at the same time. DBA, the Digital Boss Academy, is changing the game. What they've done is they've gotten all these PLR courses, these digital marketing courses that you all are hearing about and that people are raving about. They've taken all these courses, in a sense, and put it into one, but they're adding more and more. Now, we know that we're in a recession, right? And people need a way to make income. And what this young lady has done is made it affordable for people like you and me. My course starts at $111, and that is the volume 1. Volume 2 starts at $222, and you cannot sell either one of these courses for anything less than that, because once you buy it, you have to actually sell it for more than what you bought it for. I'm excited because every day I'm looking and something new is happening in this community. Today I looked and I have volume 1 and volume 2. So if you get in and you get volume 2, you get volume 1 and 2. And I'll put that, what you get in there, in a link in here. You'll see it somewhere. But today you probably won't see this. There's 4 new modules, and there is an insurance module. There's how to start a virtual call center. There is Amazon KDP, Facebook monetizing. They've even, as of today, added an affiliate program. They are changing the game. And you know what I'm so proud about? Because these are my sister girls, and these are my young sister girls. They're my little baby sisters, but they are doing it. So if I were you, I would get in now, because a lot of times we look, and we don't jump on soon enough, and then we wish we had them. So if you are interested, comment DBA or check out the link in my bio, my link tree, and there is a free guide called Sneak Peek. You can get that, download that, or you can just get in on volume 2 for $222. And there's technical support. There's all the support you need in the community. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. And I wanted to make this really quick and short, but now is the time to get in on digital marketing, this done for you course, the Digital Boss Academy, where you can change your life and your family's life. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you can get more updates on my journey in digital marketing.